The history of computers. The history of computers goes back thousands of years, beginning with simple tools like the abacus, which was used for counting and basic calculations. In the 17th century, mechanical calculators were developed by inventors like Blaise Pascal and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. These early machines could perform basic arithmetic operations, but were limited in capability. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer, known as the analytical engine, which laid the groundwork for modern computing concepts such as input, processing, and output. The real revolution in computing came in the 20th century. In the 1940s, during World War II, the first electronic digital computers were built. One of the most famous was the ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer, developed in the United States. It was massive in size and consumed a huge amount of electricity, but it could perform complex calculations much faster than any human. In the 1950s and 60s, computers became more advanced with the invention of transistors and later integrated circuits, which allowed for smaller and more powerful machines. The personal computer era began in the late 1970s and early 1980s, with companies like Apple, IBM, and Microsoft leading the way. Computers became more affordable and accessible to individuals, schools, and small businesses. Over the decades, technology continued to evolve rapidly, giving rise to laptops, tablets, smartphones, and cloud computing. Today, computers are used in nearly every aspect of life, from education, healthcare, and communication to entertainment, space exploration, and artificial intelligence.